Hey guys, welcome back with another brand and exciting video. Actually, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you that you can make $25,000 plus with trending YouTube short niche monetization trick. Actually, that you can simply do it on copy and paste with absolutely free software that you will have in this video right away. It is available worldwide and there is no need for any age. For example, every age can do that, and there is no need for any gender. Actually, whether that is male, female, young, old, anyone can do this. So it is absolutely a copy and paste method and strategy that you will learn in this video, and then you can maximize the result of that. So I will also show you that how you can just make it accurately a short video and how you can monetize, and the backside how you can earn money from that. So stick with me to the end of this video and I will show you step by step that how you can do that. Before starting the method, I would like to just recommend you to watch the video to the very end of this video, and also like the video as a recommendation, as an appreciation for us. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. So the first and important thing is that you need to go to YouTube, and I can simply show you some example that what people are doing and how they are making money from that. So if you just tap in the dash cam accident, or simply you just tap dash cam in the search bar, and you will see unlimited video with unlimited views actually that they got, and it is really trending nowadays, like car crash compilation, which got 28 million views right here. And this one is another one, the ultimate track crash compilation, which got 23 million views, as you can see here. And this one got 15 million views right here. And if you scroll down, you will see others video that they got 14 million views, 12 million views, 9.9 million views. So that is absolutely insane. As you can see here, that is 9 months ago this guy has posted, and they got 12 million views, and they only have 147,000 subscribers, but they got 12 million plus views actually. So that is incredible. So I will show you step by step that how you can just model this and how you can maximize the result from that. So stick with me to the end of this video, and I can show you one channel right here. For example, I'm going to share with you two different channels right here, but this will be the one channel that you can simply see here, that this guy has just uploading the contents, and they got something like 134,000 views like here, 64,000 views, 18,000 views, 17,000 views right here. And if you scroll down, you will see their uploads, for example, and they got a lot of things right here. And you can see have the metrics like here, this is has only 1,000 subscribers, but they have dash m owners New Zealand, okay. But the views they got, for example, like per day 1,000 views or something like that they got. And I will also show you another channel that they also use, for example, the dash m owners India's owners Indonesia. Actually, they got 80,000 subscribers, but they got a great amount of views, as you can see here. If you can just see here the stats actually for the last 1 month, that how many views they got and how many videos they just uploaded right here. So this is total lifetime that they got, for example, right here, like 35 million views actually, with 297 videos actually. But if you just look to the last 30 days, they just got 577,000 views, which is a great amount of views, and only 9 videos they just uploaded in the last month actually. And this is per day actually, that they got like 36,000 plus views on for example, November 15 they got, and they got 31,000 views on November 12. They got 35,000 views actually on November 9. So you can see here that this is a trending niche, and that is a lot of video that these guys are uploading right here. As you can see here, they just upload one day ago a video which got 23,000 views, 50,000 views, 36,000, 45,000 views right here. And those are not the popular videos. They just simply randomly upload the videos. But if you just look to, these are the long videos, even they are not shorts, but short are not trending nowadays. So they might get millions of views if they use short in this channel right here, but they are not using, they just randomly upload their videos to this channel right here. So what we need to do, we can simply model this and we can use the same way in the same strategy, but we need to use shorts video right here and this method and this strategy. So you can simply select any video we want. For example, we can simply click on that. We can simply open that. Once we open that, then we can simply click on the share button right here. These long-term videos. So remember, we are not going to copy and download shorts video. We are just downloading the bigger video and longer video than 1 minute or might be that will be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. We can simply just copy the URL from here, for example, and then we can simply put inside like this one. Okay, let me just stop this. And we can go to this website right here, YTMP3. We can simply just paste our link right here, for example, and we can simply just click on MP4, and then we simply click on MP4, then we click on the download MP4. Once we have downloaded right here, the next step will be that we will simply just go to canva.com. Canva is also a free software that it can help us copy and paste this method and this strategy for absolutely free right here. And you can see here the option videos, just click on that, or even you can simply find it here, TikTok videos or mobile videos, just click on that. Once you click on that, then you will be visited this page right here, which will a complete short video template that you can simply click on the upload button, upload media right here, and upload your video, and that will be your video. You can simply grab it and put it right here. Once we grab it and put it right here, the video, it will be bigger. I mean, that is a bigger video, so we can make it shorten and use it as a portrait, and as well as here we can use make it less than 1 minute right here. So once you can simply just make it bigger, shorter, or something like that. By this way, it is really simple and easy that you can simply just move right here. Once you move it right here and make sure the video is on the middle that everybody can see here, and then you will have the option that cut right here. You can simply just cut the video right here, for example, from here, and make it something like less than 1 minute, something like that. So once you are done with that, then you can simply click on this button, done, and here is the complete video that we can simply watch it right here. Okay, let me just play it for you. As you can see here, it is a complete video that we have for absolutely free right here, that we have just copy and paste that, and we can simply use it right here. So let me just play it again, some part. So many people have the eagerness to watch these types of videos on YouTube and any other platform right here, but we have just simply have for absolutely free. Once we are done with this with 48-second video, then we can simply click on the download button right away here, and just select MP4 video and then click on the download. Once we click on the download, the video that will be downloaded to our PC, laptop, or smartphone if you are having. So you can even use your smartphone with this strategy. It really doesn't matter right here. So it will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, then you can simply go back to YouTube and create a simple account like this and shorts, for example, and give related name, something like that, and then consistently upload videos for that right here. So at least you can just upload 3 videos every single day, and that is absolutely copy and paste. And from this one video that we have simply just clicked it, download it right here. For example, this one video that we have just created, this is a long-term video which is almost 10 minutes. Means from this one video we can make 10 different videos, and we can simply download, and that would be enough for 3-day work, which only require 10 minutes work from you to do it. from one single video you can create multiple videos, and you can simply download them, and then you can just go to YouTube and just create an account and upload consistently, and make sure that you use shorts at the title, description, and tags area, that the YouTube algorithm shorts can catch your video and trend your video right here. So now it is the time that we have just downloaded the video, we have created the video, we uploaded back to YouTube. So how we can monetize our video and how we can make money from that. So many people are doing different method and strategy, but this guy has used something like this right here, as you can see here. Buy a dash cam, shop it like here, and they have created their own shop for him, okay, for this, actually this strategy. But what you need to do, I can show you a simple method and simple strategy right here, that you can simply just put it one link right here, for example, and that will be Amazon link. If you just put Amazon link, and I will also show you the trick that how you can use multiple dash cams from Amazon, and one link right here, that people can just go directly to that and just catch their favorite dash cam, something like that. Okay, so one thing I forgotten right here, that when you are creating this, or you are creating this video, so make sure that you just do a call to action button, something like, for example, you must write something like, by just going right here to the text button right here, and you can simply just add a simple text. For example, you can redirect people, for example, something like your dash cam link, for example. Oops, let me just okay, your dash cam link and the description. So you, in that way, you can redirect people to your description of the video, and you will put your link over there right here. Okay, so by that way it will be simple and easy to just make something like that. Okay, and just put it on the top right here, and you can simply redirect people. If you want to change the color of that, so you can simply just change the color, any color you want. For example, you can simply change into that, for example. So it will be great if you, that is attractive, means everybody can see that. So it will be seen right here, and the whole video, as you can see here. So once you are done with that, you can simply download and re-upload right here. And the next step would be that how you can monetize your videos. As I told you, you can put your link in the description by just simply going to affiliate program of Amazon, means you can simply type Amazon associate right there. Once you type that in the Google, then you will be redirected to this page right here, and you can simply click on the sign up, and you can sign up for a free account right here, that you can simply recommend Amazon products to anyone in the world, and you can earn commission from that right here. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply go to Amazon and just type, for example, the dash cam, and you will have multiple dash cams right here, for example, and with different prices right here, and you can put together all these products or all these dash cams in one place right here by just clicking right here on this button. Once you click on that, then you will be visible, I mean, the dash cam will be visible right here, and then you can simply grab your affiliate links from here. Once you grab your affiliate link, then you can simply just go back to another website, which is kit.co. Remember, the website address is kit.co, means C-I-T dot sorry, kit.co. Okay, kit.co, which is this one. So once you visit this, you can sign up for a free account right here. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account, which will be this one right here, and here you will have the option, something like that. For example, your profile picture, you can simply click on that and view your profile, something like that. For example, once you click on that, then you will be redirected to this page right here. But I have already set up my account, okay, and I have already used my dash cams right here. So I have almost 24 dash cams in this one place right here. As you can see here, this is my website, actually absolutely free website and free storage and land, actually, that I can redirect with a simple one link people into this page right here, and I can show them different dash cam right here from Amazon. Whenever people just click on any of these link Amazon right here, So they will be redirected to the sales page, which will be this one right here, and they can purchase. Whenever they purchase, I got the commission. So that is the pretty awesome simple hack that we can simply use this strategy for absolutely free right here, and I have you can use. And how you can set up this right here, you can simply just edit this test or add the product. By adding the product, you simply just click on add product, and the link that you have copied, that even you can simply search it directly here, the dash cam. But you can simply use, for example, paste and link actually right here. Once you paste the link, then you can simply click on this button, and that will be added to your kit right here. But if you just simply uh, you simply just type, for example, dash cam right here, and simply click on the search button. You can simply find it right here on different on from Amazon right here, and you will get your affiliate commission right here. For example, I just like that, and I can simply just click on that, so that will be automatically the title will come and a short description will come right here, and then I can simply click on the add to kit. So once I click on add to kit, so it will be added to my here, my link right here, or my kit right here. For example, as you can see here, I just pretty awesomely just put it together all dash games. Whenever people just come to this my link, so they will not miss any, I will not miss any of my audience right here. They can simply purchase from me. So what you need to do, we can simply see here the options, similar these three dot. We can copy the link to share right here. The option, we can simply just copy this link, and we can just go back to our YouTube, for example, our YouTube description, video description, and we can just paste it right here. And that is simple, pretty awesome, easy copy paste method and strategy that I was about to share in this video. So if you want to make your business in this short video, and you want to make this your full-time income strategy, so what you need to do, you need to just simply check out the first link in the description of this video right here, and you can just simply visit to this page right away here. And this is how you can build your short videos, and how you can promote your short video, and how you can build thousands of dollars from your shorts video. So all the tips, tricks, and strategy and bonuses will be mentioned on this page right here by just clicking the first link in the description of this video, and you will be redirected to this page right here, and you will learn each and everything from YouTube shorts, that how you can build your consistent business and second right away with this software. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see awesome with enjoyable moments. And don't forget to click link in the description of this video to redirect to this brilliant offer right here.